3, 2, 1.
Which famous writer introduced the term moron into everyday vocabulary? The answer is D. Molière. What do students use to keep their pencils sharp?
The answer is C. Sharpener.
The Lives in Termite Hills. The answer is C. Aardvark. What is the correct plural form of Attorney General? The answer is C. Attorneys General. Spiral Island, a small Mexican artificial floating island, was situated on the coast of which sea? The answer is C. The Caribbean Sea. A small-scale version of what type of map displays individual rock units? The answer is B. Geologic map. What color is the championship jacket for which Shooter and Happy are playing against each other in the movie Happy Gilmore? The answer is B. Gold. What was the nationality of Erno Rubik, the inventor of the 3D mechanical puzzle known as the Rubik's Cube? The answer is D. Hungarian. Which book is about a young girl named Matilda with extraordinary mental powers? The answer is B. Matilda. What's the tool for cutting metal? The answer is C. File. Which tool helps to hang things on walls? The answer is D. Screwdriver. Which color ink erases the best from white paper?
The answer is D. Black.
What is the process called in which a magnet loses its magnetic properties? The answer is B. Demagnetization. Which of these fruits is not a drupe? The answer is B. Apple. Which event marked the end of apartheid in South Africa? The answer is C. Nelson Mandela's inauguration. What type of clothing is typically worn at a wedding ceremony? The answer is B. Tuxedo. Which bird can rotate its neck 180 degrees? The answer is A. Owl. A jet plane is moving at a constant velocity on a flat surface. Which forces act against the forward motion of the plane? The answer is C. Friction and air resistance. What word describes something that is difficult to read, like with bad handwriting? The answer is B. Illegible. The entropy change is positive as the solid state changes into which state? The answer is C, liquid. In which of these states is Austin Peay State University located? The answer is A, Tennessee. What is necessary in a person who wishes to play wind instruments? The answer is B, healthy lungs. Despite its small size, an erythrocyte contains about 250 million molecules of what? The answer is B, hemoglobin. Which philosopher famously said what is rational is actual and what is actual is rational? The answer is D, G.W. of Hegel. What is not alive, yet still has a heart that pumps up to 3 billion times a day? The answer is C, artificial heart. The episode His Story in Season 2 of Scrubs is narrated from the viewpoint of which character? The answer is D, Dr. Hess. What is the small, pickled cucumber that is often used in Japanese cuisine? The answer is B, pickle. Who set the record for fastest marathon dressed as a hot dog? The answer is A, Robert Youngren. What is the best-selling album of all time? The answer is A, Thriller Michael Jackson. Besides the endocrine system, what other system exerts control over all the organ systems of the body? The answer is A, nervous system. What place of business was turned into a prison camp for residents of Calumet in the film Red Dawn? The answer is C, drive-in theater. Capital of India is? The answer is A, Delhi. What type of color is the color named thistle? The answer is D, purple. As altitude increases, air pressure will do what? The answer is D, plummet. What is used to clean grout between tiles? The answer is C, tile grout cleaner. What is the main structure of the Parthenon? The answer is A, column. What is the name given to a meteorological event characterized by strong, persistent winds blowing in a narrow band around a low-pressure center? The answer is B, tornado. When Yogi Berra first joined the Yankees, they already had a great catcher. Who was he? The answer is B, Bill Dickey. What drug is Rent character Mimi addicted to? The answer is B. Heroin. Where are most of the organs contained in insects? The answer is B. The abdomen. Which one of these pairs actor character he has played is wrong? The answer is B. Samuel Jackson Xander Cage. What is the name of the protective layer of gases that surrounds the Earth and blocks harmful rays from the sun? The answer is D. The atmosphere. In plants, pigment molecules absorb only visible light for photosynthesis. The visible light seen by humans is white light. Actually, it exists in what? The answer is B. Rainbow of colors. What type of jam is used for the preparation of the traditional South African dessert malva pudding? The answer is A. Apricot jam. Bacteria that enter the body are destroyed by which type of cells? The answer is A. White blood cells. Which type of cell has a single membrane? The answer is A. Prokaryote. What is a small, upholstered seat typically found near a bed? The answer is B. Ottoman. What could loosen the soil by creating tunnels? The answer is D. Rabbits. What is the economic system based on private ownership of capital goods and free markets? The answer is A. Capitalism. On the TV show Beverly Hills 90210, Susan got involved with a guy who helped in stealing all of Dylan's money and taking Erica away to South America. What was